Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you things that we've completed. So please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or go to our YouTube channel and watch the things that we've restored, and then send us something that we can restore for you. So today we have a really large buffet with a top piece. We're going to show you the base of it here. This piece, the very top, is removable. It has big dowels that it fits to, so it comes in 3 sections. This piece, the solid top, and then the very top. And what's so cool is that it has interior drawers, and you can see that it very well made German oak interior drawers. And then there's 2 drawers that are not here at the moment that were all for silverware that are felted, that we'll show you the photos of. And then look at the size of the inside of this cabinet. It is gigantic. It is, of course, 96 inches long, and this is about a 40-inch span they have here in the center. Gigantic piece of furniture. It can't fit in everybody's house. And then here on this side is just shelving. And you see it has a piano hinge. It looks German from the late 30s again, possibly 20s. And then we wanted to show you the burled veneer, the Circassian walnut that's on the ends. So this is the 96-inch long German top piece. So this piece fits on top of that buffet. It's really huge. Again, you see the Circassian walnut, the beautiful fruit carving and leaves, and then it has curved glass. And then a beautiful structure here of all carved with fruit. Quite a large piece. This is the one where you have to find the right house and have the right wall to put it up on. So we're grateful to have restored this. It was in poor condition. It had some beetle damage, and luckily the overall structure and wood was not affected by the furniture beetle. So we're grateful to have gotten it corrected before that continued. Thanks for watching.